Hi guys, welcome back. Today is a unboxing of some seed beads, some lovely 4mm beads, and some very colourful beads actually. They're really nice. So I will now unbox. I'm going to turn it upside down because of my address. So in here we have some gorgeous 4mm beads. I'll take them out. It's one a little bit easier to see. And get rid of the box. So in here I actually have some elastic, which is black, and it I think it's a 1mm thick. It's actually, take it out. Second. So there we go. It's really good. Very stretchy. And I think this was about £1.50, and it's going to be used for putting on sort of wooden beads and making maybe some men's bracelets and sort of stretchy necklaces. I also ordered some two of these Beadalon wire. This one is 0.012, and this 0118 is actually thicker than the 12. So these are used for lighter beads on the 12, smaller beads, and the thicker, heavier beads on the 18. So these ones are silver tone, but yeah, that's a 7-strand, so it's really good. I've got some seed beads and some sort of pearly and some turquoise. These are 8/0s, 20-gram beads in each bag. And so opaque for that one, and pearl white. I think these were about £2 a bag for those. And then I got this absolutely, I can't even remember how many strands there are here, but there is quite a few. I think there's 2 of each, which actually cost, I think it was about £5.50 for all of them. But I've also started using some of the clear ones, so they're nice, and they are 4mm. They are actually quite nice. That's the blue one. I do like this colour as well. This is really nice, and the red. I like the red as well. It's really nice colours. Don't know if you can see those or not. See if I can zoom in a bit more. They are really lovely colours. I love the pink, the browns, the red. Actually, they're all nice. So I'm looking forward to using those. And I think I'll take these away because otherwise you won't be able to see. I'll show you. I went into a shop in Abingdon, near where I live, and got some seed beads. These ones I got previously. So the green and opaque, I think it is. It's not in focus. I think it's the opaque. 1 second. They're 9/0s. They're 28-gram sort of little containers. And then I went the other day and I've come back with this colour, which is really nice. And I looked online to see where I could actually buy these from, because obviously I bought them in a shop. And there are a few online. I think it's the Bead shop and eBay, Amazon. You can buy them on Amazon as well. I think there's a few others, but what I'll do is I'll link them below, with the links for it, so you can go and have a look. You can get them, I think you can get them anywhere now. And but I don't think you can. I haven't seen any 9/0s, only 11/0s, 8/0s, and 6/0s. But I mean, you could have a look if you're interested. These ones like a burgundy pink colour. I don't know if you can actually see properly, but they are a really lovely colour. And then there's this purple one as well, which is really nice. So it's a purple, sort of like orangey red colour. I'm sure there's some pinks in there. Then you've got the burgundy one, and then you've got a grey one. And the grey one's actually really nice. It's like a silvery grey. So there's those. And then obviously the two that I've got previously, which were from the same shop. I think these were about £3.80 each. So I'm going to be doing some beadwork to hopefully sort of make into necklaces, whether it be cluster either side or single strand. So hopefully they will come out nice. But I just thought I'd show you what my order's been this week, and hopefully I can, start making some lovely bracelets with these. Do some beading, make some lovely bracelets, maybe a couple of necklaces like I've done before. I'm sure I've showed you on a previous video of the beading part on the bottom of the necklace and then the cluster. So I will hopefully be doing a few more of those, but doing shorter components at the bottom. I think that will work better. Okay, this is a very short video, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.